Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Rob from clicksgeek.com. Just wanted to make a quick video and recap the Google keyword tool because a lot has changed. It's now March 2020, so there's obviously a lot of stuff going on. So it's a good time to stay at home and just learn as much as you can. So I think we're going to start doing a few more videos now. Keep busy. All right, so if you go into your Google Ads account, you come up here to Tools and Settings, come down here to Keyword Planner. That's where you'll go into it. Alright, so here's kind of like the overlay of your keyword planner and how you find keywords for your campaign, stuff like that. So to get started, there's two different things here. You can discover new keywords or you can get search volumes and forecasts. So we'll do both, alright, just to kind of go through it. Now if we go into discover new keywords, you'll type in, you can either drop a domain that you want to have Google crawl and suggest keywords to you, which I don't recommend. I recommend you build your list manually. That's just me personally. So you can come up here, start with keywords or start with the website. So for this example, we'll do both. All right, so I guess we'll start website first. Let's just say we're doing our website, which is clicksgeek.com. Get results. So Google just went through and crawled our entire website for keywords and matched them up. You can see here, these are all the keywords that they found from our website. Some of them obviously are probably from case studies and different pages we have, but pretty cool. And that's just one way to do it. Now, if we want to go back, let's say you're building your campaign and you want to just find your keywords manually. Let's say you're doing pest control. So do pest control. Put in your root keyword. I mean, you can put in a ton of keywords. I'm just putting in one here. So I guess we probably should do a bunch. Maybe exterminator, something like that. All right, get results, and it's going to go through and it's saying there's about 1,200 keywords available. And you can see here, it's all the basic stuff, the same as they used to be, just a little bit different how it's laid out. And it kind of goes into all these different types of pest control and extermination stuff. So this is great for building ad groups. And this is all you're going to do. And you're just going to find your keywords here, and you're either going to copy them and put them in an Excel sheet and build out your ad groups, or obviously you can just build them into your campaigns from the keyword planner right here. So if we're building an ad group for, say, pest control near me, we'd say, all right, well, we only want keywords that say near me. So you can come up here, add filter, keyword text, near me. You're telling Google, I only want to see keywords that have near me in them. Pest control near me, exterminator near me. All right, so you can kind of see here, this is a really powerful tool to build out your ad groups. So if you're doing pest control, we would just keep adding them here. Choose the ones you want. You can even drop these into a new plan or existing plan, a new ad group. Let's say pest control near me. Create. Keyword match types you want to drop them in it. I do not recommend you do broad match, especially if you're a beginner. Just stay away from it altogether. It's much more in-depth and you'll get crushed. So just stay away from that. I would even say stay away from phrase if you're brand new. Just do exact. It's easier. Then you can just add your keywords into a plan. Go into your plan overview here. And you can start building out all of your ad groups and stuff like that, and then just drop it right into a campaign. It's really cool. I mean, they really did a great job with the keyword planner. And I mean, that's pretty much it. It's just a quick video. I'm not going to go too crazy into it, but then you can come here to, if you're on your main hub here, you'll see your plans down here. You can go into your plans. You can check out your ad groups. Obviously, we only did one, but keywords. So really cool stuff. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and check out our main website, clicksgeek.com, for more info about us, how we work, and what we can do for you guys. All right, I'll catch you in the next video.